Affiliated with Success, Tips, Tricks, and Techniques for Affiliate Marketing. Businesses use affiliate marketing to gain more customers. This is done by hiring companies known as affiliates that use special techniques such as advertisement to drive customers to businesses and hits to websites. The information found the following video will tell you everything you need to know in order to start using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. Increasing your productivity in affiliate marketing is about mindset just as much as it is about action. So in order to make sure you have the proper mindset, you should always wait until you experience results before increasing your campaign. Results will give you the confidence to grow and the drive to follow through. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. Affiliates creating websites are going to need to link their sites directly to the main company's site, so this means you will need to know a little bit about site building and link building. Take your time to create an attractive, functioning site, and make sure that your links work well and lead straight to the pages your customers need to see. As stated before in the above content, businesses use affiliate marketing. They hire companies that use advertising to draw in customers and hits. With the information found the video above, you can also start using affiliate marketing to bring more customers to your business and more hits to your website. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.